The Irish language will have full working rights in the EU from the 1st of January next year. Mar thura sin be gach reachtaíocht nua curtha fáil in Gaeilge, lena nóir tíoríle control agus cinnti. At EU level, therefore, all new statutes will be made available in Irish, including regulations, directives and decisions. And it is astonishing that while we've made this progress in the European Union, the same language rights are not enjoyed here at home. In fact, the government is appealing a High Court judgment that reaffirmed the constitutional duty of the state to provide Irish language versions of acts of the Oireachtas. Now, surely the Taoiseach agrees that all acts, statutory instruments and regulations should be made available in Irish at the same time as the English version. It's unacceptable that the state is actively seeking to withhold language rights from its own citizens, rights that the European Union now provides. Níl sé sásúil beag nó mór go bhfuil an stáit seo ag déanamh a lán dhíthil chun cearta teanga a saor éinig féin a chomad siar, cearta ar na bhfuil an taontas Eorpa ganis ag freastáil orthu. So I want to ask the Taoiseach if he will take a stand for Irish language rights and call on the Minister to withdraw his appeal. And can I also ask, finally, what action is envisaged to increase the number of High Court judges able to hear cases through Irish, as currently there is only one?
Dúspáir ó heh an ceisteachar Tachta MacDonald stochreite an méadtá ráite got níl an staid. I gcuine séránach na tíre seo heh an tanga, tá mé ag tuairt gach éon tacaíocht dundanga, agus do muintir na tíre ó heh an tanga a chur chun chin. I find it very difficult to accept the language that you used to the Chair Deputy in terms of, you're exhorting me to take a stand for the Irish language in some sort of sense as if we were somehow against it. I've learned Irish. I do everything I possibly can to promote Irish. I speak Irish. I want people to enjoy Irish. I don't never have weaponized Irish for political purposes. I regret that you tend to do that too much. And we're not endeavouring to stop anybody from enjoying Irish. And what I was talking now, gachly is federling. We're talking to TG Cahir, Kelur and Ish, Coiblin, and Vod, August Yenamor, Anachid Conishina, Echer of Vime, Ladini Yella. O have on Kesh Tucker, Andreas Homina